Hey guys, I'm Pixie. I just wanted to make this quick video to talk about two different things. First of all, I get a ton of video requests and it's very difficult to get to all of them. So I've decided to spend some time on my personal app and my website. Now my goal for the website is to write up tutorials for video requests that don't necessarily need a video, because I don't know if you guys know this, but it takes anywhere from like 2 to 6 days for me to make one video. And some of you have recognized the hard work that I put into my videos, and I really appreciate that. My goal for the app is to allow you guys to vote on tutorials that you want to see and be able to see the progress for those tutorials. And this will kind of help me keep track of all of the requests that I get. And I'm not sure when I'll have these done. It's really just whenever I get a free moment and I'll be able to work on them. The other thing I want to talk about is the Pixie Bomb Squad. And from now on, when I make videos, I'm going to release designs and graphics exclusively for the Pixie Bomb Squad. And the reason why I'm doing this is actually because I've noticed that I'm being copied. So that's primarily to protect myself and my art. And the Pixie Bomb Squad is a monthly membership that you can sign up for at patreon.com that grants you access to exclusive graphics and designs that I create for these tutorials. I'll probably make a minimum of 2 per month, which means that I will maybe make more than 2, but never less than 2 per month. The Pixie Bomb Squad is a $5 monthly membership that you can sign up for at patreon.com. So the way this works is if you request a video and I wind up using your idea, then you will get the design for free, even if you're not part of the Pixie Bomb Squad. I also plan on having giveaways during live streams so that people can have access to those exclusive designs, and you'll be able to pick the one that you want if you win the giveaway. Otherwise, anytime I make a video and I do the graphics for that video, then it's going to be only available to the Pixie Bomb Squad. Everyone else is just going to get the free design, and I'll still probably have some videos with free graphics from free resource sites like Flat Icon just to get the videos out quickly. You are by no means obligated to subscribe to my Patreon account. Like I said, I'm really just doing this to protect myself, because I've seen that my designs have been copied in other people's tutorials, and I don't get paid to do this. This is not my job, so seeing that kind of really upsets me. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!